In one of our previous lessons, we discussed multiplications of integers, the rules of multiplications of integers, and we solved some problems on how we can apply the rules of multiplications of integers. In this lesson, we are going to be discussing word problems on multiplications of integers. And we have two questions here. Solution. For the first question is divided into two. Now the first one, part A, that's 1A. What must be multiplied by 5 to make 40? So we can say, let the number that will be multiplied by 5 to make 40, let the number be x. If the number is x, then we now say x times 5 must give us what? 40. X times 5 must give us 40. So what does that mean? 5 times x, or x times 5, is the same thing as what? 5x. So we now have 5x equals to 40. Now, how do we go further? The next thing to do is to divide both sides by 5. Dividing both sides by 5, what do we have? 5x divided by 5 will give us 40 divided by 5. The reason why we are dividing by 5 because 5 is the coefficient of x. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So we now have 5x divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. So we say here 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So what do we have? We now have x to be equals to what? 40 divided by 5. What will we have? We are going to have 8. So x equals to 8. That's the solution to 1a. So for 1b now, let's look at 1b. What must be multiplied by -9 to make 27? So the first thing to do, just like we did in the first one, we can say, let the number be y. So let the number be y. If the number is y, what do we have? It means that -9 times y will give us what? Will give us 27. So -9 times y, what are we going to have? -9y equals to 27. And at this point, what are we going to do? You are going to divide both sides by the number in front of y, which is the coefficient of y. What is the number in front of y? -9. So we divide both sides by -9. From a rule of division, don't forget, minus divided by minus will give us plus. So in that case, 9 divided by 9, what are we going to have? 1. So y equals to what? And for the right hand side, this is plus 27, plus divided by minus. It will give us what? Minus. So 27 divided by 9, what are we going to have? That's 3. So the answer is -3. So y equals to -3.